Whether you want to find the character at a particular index or the index of a particular character, then you are in the right place. Let us see how we can do it using Java program. Hello logical thinkers. Let us, let us decode this particular program. At the fifth line, coding space puzzle is getting assigned to the str object, and that is a string. Okay, let me show you the pictorial representation. Here we have str, which is equal to coding space puzzle. Okay. As I said earlier in the video, strings are a sequence of characters. So each and everything is a character. And then for each character, an index will be assigned by the Java program. So starting from the index 0, the index of the next character will be plus 1 of the previous character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even the space is a character and that will be assigned a particular index. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is how the internal representation will happen in the Java program. Let us go to the next line. If you see, the next line is str.charAt of 3 and then we are printing it using system.out.println. Let me decode this. str dot char at of 3. Here what is happening is str is the string, okay, and then charAt is the method and then 3 is the parameter. The meaning of this particular charAt of 3 is character at the index 3. So this is the meaning of this particular method. So the character at the index 3. So we are going to the index 3 and then what is the character? It is I. So in the output, the first character will be, or the first line will be I. The reason for placing small I is in the program we are given it as small I only. We go and see. And then coming to the ninth line, we're using str.indexOf z. Let me explain what is this. str.index of, within single quotes we have z. So as usual, the str is the object, string object, and then index of is the method, z is the parameter which is passed. So the meaning of this particular line is index of the first occurrence of z. Okay, the reason for mentioning first occurrence is here if you come and see there are two z. So you might get a confusion whether to print the index of this particular z or the next index. To resolve this conflict, I have mentioned the word first occurrence. So the Java program will read from the left to right. So it will read each and every character and then it will encounter the first occurrence of z. And then that particular index will be taken into consideration. As a result, the 9 will be printed as the output. So charAt method represents the character at that particular index 3. So I is getting printed in the output. And then coming to index of is index of the first occurrence of z. In this case, I have written Z because the parameter is passed as Z. If you pass it as L, then the index of the first occurrence of L. As a result, you are getting 9 as the output. So here let us see in the console. Monitor the right hand side console. If you see, I and 9 are getting displayed. The I is getting displayed because of the 7th line, because the character at index 3 is I, and then because of 9th line you are getting this output 9 because the index of the character is that is 9 as we discussed earlier. So this is how charAt and indexOf method internally works. Thanks for watching.